Where's your candy? Where? Oh, why you will eat candy dirty? It's dirty. Hey, be careful. If you fall there, you will get hurt. Where's the airplane? Up there? Cute. Oh my God. Are you cute? No more candy. No more candy. What's cooking? I want my candy. What happened to my candy? You want to sleep? Let's go up there.
No.
Let's go up there.
No.
Why? 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 Why don't you want to go up there? Is it hot there? Do you know how to sing ABC? No, not that one. Oh, cover it. That's for Lola. Hey, it's dirty. Let's go up. Who's Pogi? Where's your toy car?
Kaso nga, pag
hindi mo plat naman kakain, no?
Give drop iron! Give drop iron! Give drop iron!
I am?
No, I don't want jeep.
I don't want jeep. Where's the jeepney? Why? Outside. Why you don't want jeep? What do you want? Power truck?
Give me tractor! Give me tractor!
Doctor! Go, go!
No!
Truck toy.
Rated, doctor, CPR. Rated, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Huwag masyadong ipam...
Hey, good, you're alive.
Wow! Good job, doctor.
Where?
Oh my God!
You want to ride toy car?
No. Ibig ko lang upstairs? What, mango? Mango shake? What do you want? What says up? Just apple, you want just apple? Ano yung so, wait. Scramble, pwede rin yun.
Sit down. You're at the edge now. Oh, look, oh, you will fall. You want motorcycle?
Nahaluan ko na lang siya ng mga ano. Patas, carrots, sino, sabat ko siya ako. Palikod ka rin.
Let's ride jeepney.
Bitit, dito mapupunta sa palikod.
Come on.
Yun na, haluan ko na lang.
You wanna ride the jeepney? Swimming. You like?
Yes, I want swimming life.
Wow.
Ha? Oo, maganda pag ano.
Oh, it's a man.
What?
A man for spicy.
Milk? Hey, no. What's that? Throw it. You're gonna throw it.
Bumibili ako ng papaya. Sa buo. Yan, sa top. Yan na snack namin. Papa. Hindi. Ako magbabalat.
Wow.
20 per kilo. Tapos yan, pag
It's donut.
Ayun na, papaya. Minsan pipino.
It's donut.
What's this one?
No, cold drinks. 30. Yeah, very good. Okay.
It's yummy?
No,
Donut?
chocolate.
Chocolate. Saan si Kenneth po yan?
Ah, Jimmy.
Hindi na nabya. Ano lang?
Be careful. Ano sana?
Yummy. What's that?
Donut.
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 And juice. Is that chocolate? Chocolate donut? And is that orange juice or mango juice? Oh, yeah. Yeah, sure. May I see if it's mango? Look. Is it mango? Yes.
Mag-iinom tapos
I thought it's mango.
Yeah. You are correct. You love it?
Alam mo,
You love it.
Tapos yung isang kwarto, meron siyang second floor. Para siyang double, ano. Isang room lang siya, studio type, tapos isang kwarto lang. Wala siyang room, baka meron siyang second floor.
Say bye-bye now to our vlog. Bye-bye to our vlog now. Say bye-bye to the vlog. Say bye-bye, guys.